Okay, just got done opening up my box of Element Press Pass sent over for me to review. Pulled out some nice stuff. Start off with the inserts and the base. Here's what the base cards look like. This is Danica Patrick's first NASCAR cards can be found in here. Got a Bill France Jr. Hall of Fame card. You'll find these cards throughout a bunch of Press Pass products this year. Also inserted a 5-card subset of Eclipse. These are like preview cards of what their 2010 Eclipse product will look like. It's the first all painted set they've done. Got one of Jeff Gordon. There's a 12-card set of High Octane. Pulled out a couple of those. Then I pulled out 4 green border cards. They look just like the base set, except they have green borders around them. This one is of Sam Hornish Jr., Carl Edwards, Juan Pablo Montoya, and I got a green border of RCR, which they show you a lot of the tools and garages that they store and work on the cars in. Got a few 10 and 10s. It's a 10-card set. Carl Edwards, Kyle Busch, Dale Earnhardt Jr., and Tony Stewart. And every box has a mystery pack on top. You're either going to get a serial numbered card, autograph card, or a card with cash in it. I got a blue border card of Kevin Harvick, numbered 16 to 35. And for the hits, you're guaranteed 2, but I pulled out 3. I got a blue ink autograph of J.R. Fitzpatrick. I pulled out 2 relic cards. First one is a Jimmie Johnson race-used tire, race-used sheet metal, numbered 19 of 25. My last hit was another Jimmie Johnson relic, race-used tire, numbered to 99. So overall it was a good box. Thanks for watching.